in space. Can you see an angry face? Angry birds lost in space. Can you see an angry face?
Hey guys. Hey guys.
How you doing? Let's see if we can see angry birds lost in space, shall we?
Today we're back with
I'm stupid.
some more Angry Birds. And this is my channel.
This is my channel. You're the guest star on the channel.
No.
My channel. It says my name.
So, two little people just walking down the...
Get out of here.
He's gone. Okay. Two little people walking down the street. Ah! Oh no! Oh no! The monster! The monster's taking my boyfriend! Ah! Ah! Guys.
Let's put back down
My
your
boyfriend's
boyfriend.
back!
See? This is what happens when you mess with Stella. Don't do that for the camera, guys. We're trying to do a video here.
Look at my fat belly. It's not focusing.
I will have the video when you watch it. Sorry, guys. The camera ain't really focusing.
Harley!
Sorry. That's my fat dog.
Give me red. Augie, you're not the guest star. I'm the guest star.
Angry birds lost in space. Can you see my... Look at her eye. I killed her.
So guys, line everybody up for auditions.
Oh. Okay, guys, we just fast forward that for you. Here we go. We can have all of them lined up.
Now we're gonna have an audition to see who could fly.
The best.
The best.
Number 1, red.
No.
Okay. They have to stay in the camera shoot though. Red's there. No,
Red. You gotta go like this. Okay, red's eliminated.
You have to make sure you land perfectly. That was too low. Boo!
No.
He's
He
eliminated.
didn't go yet.
He's too fat.
He's still in. His shoes. Time for this lady. I don't know who she is.
Her name is Stella.
She's still in. Time for Chuck. Stop hitting the camera. Hey guys, Matilda. We just fast forwarded that again.
Matilda. Now this is mostly a random video. Sorry if I restarted that. He had to edit this out and I didn't know what I was doing and I forgot. So sorry about that. So let's just do it. It's a random.
This is my channel. Oh, you want to have an Angry Bird fight?
Augie, Chuck's
I
tag
do my
came off.
cheek.
Augie, Chuck's tag came off.
I know, and I don't care. Because they want his tag. Okay, this video will end right now. Goodbye.